So good evening, good morning, good afternoon, family. You don't know it's a boy Oliver 777. Just reach home and it's night. Yeah, just reach home off the road. And today is what? Today is Wednesday. Yeah. It's been a crazy day, crazy busy day. Just see, sunset already. Yeah. So out here peeps and just reach home. Yeah, so my fisherman called me today. So I got some fish. Yeah. So let me get something and take them out, peeps. I can show you guys that I got lots of fish. Nice fish. So very nice fish. I got a whole bag of fish here, peeps. Feel like roughly more than 10 pounds. Yeah, a nice size fish though. Yeah. Got grunt. And look what I got. This is what again? Doctor. More grunt. Snapper. So that's like 2 and 2, 4 and 5. Grunt makes 6. And snapper makes 7. And snapper make 8. And snapper make 9. And grunt make 10. And another grunt make 11. Look at this. One pot 12. And snapper 13. And snapper again. And this is a big snapper now. Yeah. This is my size for roasting. Yeah. Belly full. 14. Yeah, peeps. That's a lot of fish, don't you? So I got a lot of fish, peeps. I got myself some fishies. Yeah. That's a lot of fish. Yes, peeps. So I'm a very happy young man today, peeps. Very happy. I'm so happy. So very, very happy. Because I was wondering, what on earth am I gonna eat this evening? Yeah, so I have some, what I can do. I got some green plantain. So I'm gonna put some plantain and some fish. And I got a little bit of leftover rice, so I might look about that. Or I might leave the rice for in the morning. Think about the green plantain now with the steamed fish. I'm not gonna fry no fish. One day I'm gonna look about the fish for someone special. I'll fry some. You wanna know no special person yet. Mystery lady, as Empress would I say. Yeah, so let me see now. So I'm gonna steam. So that's one Ziploc bag I normally put them in. So whenever time I use a Ziploc bag, just I use the phone now. So I practically using one and yeah, Ziploc bag. And then I look about if it's snapper for roast or fry. Yes, I use the grunt because I'm gonna steam. So I'm gonna use the grunt. Let's see how much I got steam. More snapper, steam. None of the snapper them peeps. Snapper very easy to steam, but I'm not gonna steam any. So I'm gonna put all of that in the fridge. Yeah. And peeps, I still have one more. When time in come, it's a fisherman actually gone back to sea tonight. Yeah, in going back a see tonight, because father said going back a see, so actually when he come, still I'll ask him for more. So we can get some more fish put on. So that I don't run out, not at all. Yeah, so let me see now. Let me see now. Oh, she's a big one. Alright, one. Big grunt. Enough. Drops, yeah, I like this one now. Yeah, this. This. So I'm gonna steam like about 3. Yeah, steam 3. 3 nice size one. Yeah, 3. Yeah. So everything else going to the bag. I'm going to the fridge. Yeah. Much fish peeps. That's a good bag. Yeah. Once the peeps, when I buy it, I get them already clean, gut and everything. So just have a little bit of clean up to them, not much. Actually went out last night, come on today, clean them up today. So, you know, fresh fish peeps, no joking, real fresh fish. They're so fresh, they couldn't be fresher. And in Cayman, you saw the fishermen and do it. Tell somebody yesterday and answer them hard to believe that. Alright, in Jamaica, you buy the fish and you get it with the scale and the intestine just the same way. You then weight and sell it just the same. And then they have someone else there that you have to pay to scale it, and they charge per pound. So for example, if the fish is like 900 a pound, you're gonna pay like 2 bills or 3 bills a pound to scale it. Just imagine that. But then in Cayman, what they do, if it's, for example, say it's $5 a pound for the fish, what they're gonna do is you're gonna pick out the fish that you want, and then they scale them and clean out the intestine, and then wait. And you pay $5 a pound. If it's $5 a pound, roughly it's about $9 a pound now for fish. Yeah. So that you're gonna pay. They clean it, scale it, and clean the intestine, then they wait. That's your money's worth. Trust me. So now I will pay the $9 a pound for it because I ain't going out there. So stick and stay peeps. I'm going to look about these fish. 3 fish. So I'm clean up them here. Squeeze some lime pan it, season it up, and steam it quick and fast. Yeah. And then I think I'm gonna season it up first, then I'm gonna be it after, and then I steam it. Yeah, so you will see me when I'm steaming it and frying and planting because I'm hungry peeps. But I feel more comfortable when I bathe and then I finish and then I eat. Because when we eat, it's like I just wanna, you know, brush my teeth and sit down a little bit and then go sleep. But you know, the sun getting hot again like it's summer. Yeah, sun was hot today. The breeze was blowing, so it wasn't that bad. But anyway, stick and stay peeps. Don't go on fire, hold the fire. And today is the 12th of February. Big up mama. Today mama's birthday. Yesterday was 11th, yesterday was Alan's birthday. Yeah, happy belated birthday, Alan. Big up yourself. And today 12, mama birthday, Empress mother. Big up yourself. Yes, mama. Mama real Jenna. Real Jenna from time. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah. So yes, peeps, that's my 3 fish. Season up. So look how it look nice. That's how I season up fish. No, I have carrot, I have onion. No, I have escallion, tomato, sweet pepper or bell pepper, and I have okra. And as I said, escallion already? Yeah. Yeah, and some powder season and my secret ingredient. So now I'm gonna get a bath and then I come back and steam this fish. And I was wondering what on earth am I gonna drink as juice, but then I remember that I have some star fruit in the fridge, so I'm gonna make me some natural juices. So stick and stay, don't go away. So yes peeps, so just get a bath and come back out in the kitchen now. So I put on the fish now. I just say me early in the kitchen Learning to cook chicken. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on the fish now. Fish one steam. It's done. Yes. Yes, let the fish one steam now. Fish one steam slowly, so cause put little bit of water to it, people. Just a little bit of water in it. Because its pot is completely dry. I know fish kinda steam it, build it on water and all of that, you know? Yeah. So now I have some star fruit. You know what I have? Some star fruit. Because I wonder what kind of juice I'm gonna drink. So I have a star fruit and one lime, peeps. One lime? Yeah. So one lime and some star fruit. So I'm just gonna cut up the star fruit then quick and fast. And blend them up. Quick and fast and blend them up, peeps. Yeah, no itching. Because I'm hungry. Yeah. I haven't eaten anything substantial from let me say with the tape. The tape, you know, yeah. Star fruit, peeps. Quick and fast. Yeah. Yes, star fruit. Yeah, so I'm getting star fruit from the other day. And actually, I'm gonna get some different one too. A new set of star fruit. So now capitalize on it. Natural juice. So I was gonna say peeps and cut them up quick and fast. And then star fruit peeps. I was gonna say tell me in the comment section if star fruit and jubilee. Star fruit and jubilee is the same thing right now? Jubilee. Cause them star fruit them jubilee look like it jubilee. Cause me I wonder because they look like the same thing but then jubilee sour. But they must say some star fruit and sour. So me I wonder if I same thing. You know jubilee? You must see one sitting on the tree look just like this but then green and then when then green and sour. So me I wonder if I same thing as jubilee. Cause I think all the star fruit me I say jubilee you're not gonna find a name there. The star fruit the right name. Yeah. But I'm not sure. If I jubilee and call it a star fruit. If I jubilee and a star fruit, I'm not sure. You know jubilee? You're not Jamaican man. Jubilee is the same thing as star fruit. You know jubilee? A different thing. Oh. But me I say that them look like star fruit but then sour. But I see me so then shape me I wonder if I same thing. Yeah. Alright, now peeps, I said jubilee and star fruit are two different things. So tell me in the comment segment or section rather jubilee if it is actually the same thing. Oh, what for food there man? A feast. A feast or no? Good food. Eh? A jubilee. Oh boy. Yeah, so this is some local ginger peeps. It's a local, I mean local. And a hot like pepper. Yes, peeps. So, time to blend up now. You know what I say? Kevin for do a thing for me all know. And Kevin make it look like say I beg him. Yeah. I'm gonna hear from Kevin. From Sunday to the Wednesday. Yeah, Kevin make it thing look away. And Kevin know my things stay already. How me deal with him? I know see Kevin. And the blessed gone with him. trouble. Is it? So go and blend it out. Quick and fast it. Real natural juice. And squeeze a one lime in it, put a little bit of sugar in it. And that is it. In the meantime, I go on a fish pot. Yeah, as to the fish, turn it all the way down like you go and simmer down. Some ground.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 chef.
It's a three chef tonight, Steve. Eh?
It's 3 chef today.
Yeah, kitchen full of chefs. You know, so earning level about in snacks.
That's that, but yeah, so he can eat. Hey, I don't even starve you.
Yes, yes. Quick and fast, since we're the kids. No itching peeps. You know, say. Star fruit and take long for blend peeps. So in the meantime, big up Miss Juliet from Florida for the spoon. Yeah, every time I use it, remember Miss Juliet from out of Florida. Pick up yourself, Miss Juliet, out of Florida. Yeah. Yes, babes. This is rich, natural juice. Couldn't be more natural, babes. Natural on this, can't find. No preservative, no additive, babes. Remember Jubilee, star fruit and ginger. Yeah, 2 of sugar I'm putting in it. Just a 2 of sugar, peeps. So actually this now I'm going to blend it over because ginger in it, I blend out completely. I want the taste of ginger. I want the taste of the ginger. Yes, please. Call me all natural. Me no believe in you know, eat that juice, eh? Yeah, like natural juice. Natural. All natural peeps. This is my star fruit. So star fruit peeps full of water, so that's about the small amount of water to it. So the star fruit are practically bare water. Star fruit full of juice. Yeah, so yes, peeps, so one more blend and we're good to go. Just make sure that tape tapes. I know sometimes you think that tape and then not tape. Yeah. At the same time, I don't want it too thick. Because it's not smoothie, it's juice. And a smoothie, a juice. As I say, star fruit, so it might take a lot of time to blend. It doesn't take a lot of time to blend, peeps. It doesn't take a lot of time. Yeah. So this is dinner, peeps. This is my dinner with a steamed fish and some leftover white rice. So now I'm going to hot up some of the white rice. Mash up it with the steamed fish, peeps. Quick and easy. You see? I got some fish this evening. Over 10 pounds of fish, peeps. Oh, local fish too. No preservative, no additive. Yeah. As I say, today is the 12th. Big up Mama. That's Empress Mother. Happy birthday, Mama. Enough love and respect. Hope you live to see many, 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 many more. Yes, Mama. Many, many more. Earth strong. Mama. More life, more blessings to Mama. Real Mama, you know? Real Mama. Mosquito biting people. Mosquito really probably, you know? Let's not take a break. Yeah. So let me turn them fish here, please. Same time. Yeah, cause a grunt. You know, a grunt take a little more time to steam. Snapper steam quicker. Yeah, so grunt take a little more time. So I have 2 grunt and 1 doctor fish. You know, normally you don't really get doctor fish at Cayman. Very rare. Then catch it kind of like doctor fish or something. I have to catch with fish pot. Catch them in a fish pot. And Cayman they don't really use fish pot. I don't recall seeing fish pot here. Like Jamaica. They mostly use lines, you know. So when I get doctor, I have to give thanks to it. It's very rare. So 1 more blend, peeps, and good to go. Yeah, 1 more blend, quick and fast. No itching, peeps. No itching in the kitchen. Yeah. Quick and fast, this. What is it? Let me say. One taste the ginger in it. So make sure I say ginger blend out. Make sure I say ginger blend out and it not bend out. Cause you know, yeah. Natural juice, peeps. So if you don't have this, you know, you on the house at least don't know how to deal with it. If you have it in your yard, in your backyard or in your front yard. You know, so Caribbean people normally have star fruit in their yard. Make use of it. Real juice. And actually, I'm going to look up the nutritional benefits, but trust me, I know we have a lot of nutritional benefits too. Because it's natural. It's natural. So, natural, peeps. Yeah. Yeah. So, if you want natural, then hold for your 777. Yeah. Not just the peeps. I come back here, man. Yeah, my subscriber just link up to get some real local food. Charge already covered. Get me, I say? Yeah. Once you like, share, comment, and subscribe, that's what it will cost you. That is it. No itching. So now, what I'm gonna do is, peeps, people, family, is, yeah, I know normally it have a lot of fat on it, like, I guess because of citrus, yeah, because I same thing with orange. Orange normally have a lot of fat and pineapple and so citrus fruits. I think so. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll show the blender and just put a little bit of sugar in it. So instead of using a spoon or so to sweeten, put in the sugar and sweeten it. To blend the sugar. So when I blend it, everything blend out. Put a little bit of sugar. Yeah, just a little bit. No more than that. Better fresh and sweet, yeah? Please. Just a little bit of sugar. Little bit. You might, wow, that sugar then too little bit. No, too little bit. It is just good enough. And put little juice in it. And blend it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so a lime, rub out the lime like this, peeps. This is how you get more juice out of the lime. You beat it up like that. But then I realize that the fish have no juice in it, peeps. So the fish want a little bit more juice. So I add a little more water to it. Just a bit. You have to know if you do it, peeps. Normally, 3 so late, otherwise I would get one coconut. I use the coconut juice to blend a coconut and get the juice and steam the fish quite nice other way there. But hours, because I came home practically night. Yeah, I didn't come home early this evening. Yes, so little lime like that now, peeps. Then I blend it. No, blend out the juice, the sugar, blend out the sugar. Quick and fast, peeps. So quick. That is it. So now, just mix it up like that. So that, peeps, mix it out like that. And all along, I haven't tasted. So which is, yeah, just perfect. And you say, oh, just perfect, yeah. It's not sweet and it's not too fresh. It's not too sweet and it's not too fresh. So now put this in the fridge. Clean up here, so when I come back, I must be eating. But before I do that, I'm sure now what I go on the pot, peeps. Show you what I go on the pot. Don't forget that. What I go on the pot. So I go on the pot there. Yeah. Go on the pot, peeps. Bring the light closer. So I go on the pot there, peeps. Oh. Because the fire turned down too low now. Yeah. So peeps, see, yeah. See, fish almost done steam. Quick, so quick. Yeah. And this fish now, the parrot, the about parrot, the doctor, almost mash out, peeps. So by the time I clean up here, so everything must finito. Is that finish in Spanish? I don't know. I just say it finito or finito or whatever. I don't know. Blessed, correct me. Blessed is from Panama. She born in Panama, so correct me if I'm wrong. So yes, peeps. So as we say, next when I come back, I will be sharing the food. So anyway, stick on stay. So yes, peeps, I am back now, and as I told you, when I come back, it's gonna be sharing time. Sharing time, yeah. Take out the grunt, one eye grunt, but definitely doctor here got to go. Long time I ain't a doctor fish. The doctor almost mash up, peeps. It almost completely mash up. You hear that, peeps? That's Ernell laugh. Our sweet Ernell so, peeps. Our sweet Ernell so. Holy smoke. Whoo, 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 whoo. That's hot. See the peeps? See there? Oh. And especially the doctor. Long time when I eat doctor fish. Oh, doctor food. Doctor fish is one of the easiest things to steam, peeps. Trust me, I could have put the doctor at night last. So, some leftover rice and fish. And grunt. Tell me, peeps, more time I cook, I wonder if I cook. This is delicious. What is better than living in the Caribbean? This is fresh fish catch last night and I get it today. And then my star fruit. Yeah. Just refreshing, peeps. Just refreshing. Star fruit and a little ginger and a toops of lime. And that is it, peeps. So right about now.
You make the people hungry.
Yes, I make the hungry, Steve.
No, you make the people in watching you make them hungry.
That's true, peeps.
What a wicked fellow you are.
Steve say I make you guys hungry. Saying what a wicked fellow I am. Anyway, sorry peeps. Sorry I can't share it now. Anyhow, taste it. And cheers, peeps. Cheers. So delicious. Ow. This plate, peeps, hot. Huh? Wait, so I'm watching and I lick their lips. Steve say you guys watching, I'm making you guys watching and licking your lips. Sorry peeps, but as I say, when you come to the Cayman Island, or even if I'm in Jamaica at the time, I give you some real natural food. You get what I'm saying? And the house. Yes. I'll prepare the meal, peeps. Free of charge. Yeah. Because I love to cook. Not in a restaurant, but my friends and family. So right about now I'm gonna sit them properly and go and watch some YouTube videos. Yeah. And then I upload this video. So anyway, peeps, thank you all for watching and for coming back over and over again to watch. Yes, and big up mama again. Happy birthday, mama. Yeah. So, as I say, love yourself first. And as I love yourself, I mean love yourself first. You have to take care of you first before you take care of anybody else. That is it. Because you have to make sure so you are right in order that you can take care of others. So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all fire. So until next video, big up on yourself. Peace out.